Anand, this is the prayer for the universe. Let all the students who are studying at everywhere, right? Let this, their learning should be very strong. It should be empowered and it should be enlightening the whole humanity. I am extremely happy to welcome Dr. Anand Nayyar sir. Before, I think 2-3 days, Dr. Vinay Kotawar, he was talking to me about you. And he said he is a very wonderful and fabulous personality, and the kind of the contribution into the technological development is very immense. And he said that once you listen to him, I will be fan of Dr. Anand Nayyar. He was very confident. And today, during the few minutes of today's discussion, I could also understand you are the Swami Vivekananda in the field of the artificial intelligence and data science world. I have gone through your brief profiles. I was, trying to understand the level of the personality. It's a world-class personality. Because on this particular platform, there are eminent personalities from the various universities across the globe. And all MNCs, the top level leaders, CEOs, CTOs, and even the managing director of the various company Google, Microsoft, and IBM, the people have come and discussed and delivered all their wisdoms as well as their technological in-depth knowledge base into their respective domain. I was also going through your profile, then you have huge contribution in the field of the speech processing, image processing, and the AI ML algorithms that you have deployed as far as this analysis, specifically into the healthcare. And also, let me tell you that my domain is also healthcare. Fortunately, because I could not contribute to you as much what you have done already, but I have only 21 patents into this particular various domains. So 15 candidates I have delivered. As far as the PhDs, 5 are doing their research work into this domain, specifically into right now into the cancer domain and specifically into the stress analysis. So whenever the stress analysis is one of the component was the speech processing. That's why I thought that he is the man, he can guide us for my, even can contribute for the joint, let us say other Vietnam, Indo-German, Indo-America kind of the joint projects. So we are also working into this particular domain, specifically into the stress analysis, because when we think about the speech, there are 3 important components as far as this understand is concerned: the physiological parameter, the phonetic articulatory parameter, and acoustic level parameters. So whatever I may be feeling about the joyful or maybe in the stressful situations, accordingly, these physiological parameters, specifically voice components, the pitch, MFCC, and the energy and the articulatory kind of the parameters generally we capture and we analyze and we apply this AI ML algorithm to take out the meaningful insight out of that. I was also talking, before few days I was also discussing with some of the people who are actually working into the mental health in India. You know that 36% of the total population in India is suffering from the depression. That's why I have chosen that particular domain. So let us address this into this one. And I have also patented the same some algorithm which is the fusion kind of the multimodal analysis that only in the speech may not be sufficient to address that particular psychological conditions. So in being the students of cognitive bioneuroscience, I am very fond of understanding the mind, body, spirit and the activity which happens around us. When you think about the brain, we have to understand from where the thought emerges. How we can identify the real physical parameter, physiological parameter to understand from where the thought emerged. Then next question is there, okay, thoughts are generated into the particular, maybe in the prefrontal lobe or the frontal lobe or the posterior or occipital lobes. So where that particular speech processing actually occurs and how do we retrieve those signals apart from the EEG signals based on the stability of this particular mind. Then next question was there, how to cool our mind, in a very difficult situations. We are stressed all the time. But if we are stressed, how to capture that signals from the brain? Because many researchers have done a lot of things as far as the EEG signal analysis, alpha, beta, gamma levels and the frequency and understanding time. Then we were thinking about how to tune the musical backgrounding, which is given. Suppose that object means the human being, they are supposed to give that particular environment. They also get calm and cool when they listen to the specific type of the music. And we feel, wow, if we just listen to the Om chanting, and universally it has been proved also, our health conditions, our heart conditions get improved because of this various ragas that we listen to at various different time slot throughout a day. So this is a very magical word as far as this health is concerned. We know that apart from that, the stress analysis, we are also working on to the brain cancer detections and the predictions and analysis and region of interest, where generally the radiologists take a lot of efforts to trying to identify the particular the something which happens into the brain at certain location, the region, which part is affected. Then they go manually frame by frame and then identify. So now we are trying to develop certain algorithms which will detect this particular region of interest and whether the malignancy is there at what particular stage or not. That anyway, it is your time to discuss. I am very much eager to you and specifically Dr. Ajanta Devi. She is also into the same kind of the domain. She was also published. Oh. Wow. So wonderful. So I will be very happy to listen to you, both of you. On behalf of Honorable our Chairman, let me tell you that today, the founder, Chairman, President of this particular D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, where the more than 10 lakhs of the students are studying across the various campuses across in India and abroad, Dr. D.Y. Patil, Dada we consider, it is his 85th birthday. So that's why it is a very auspicious day. Let us pray for his better health on behalf of our technological community and the student staff and all the faculty. Let us pray for the best health. Why? Because we are working into the health domain. So everything what we are doing for the basic, for the cause of the humanity and improving the lifestyle and the life of the people. So I will not allow you to die before 200 years. So we have to come out with that particular technology, because ancient people, our Rishis, Muni, they have survived for the 1,000 years. So then, this is, yes. So that's why I wanted to see that, okay, I will extend from 200 here to the 700 here for the... So, okay, anyway, thank you very much once again, because on behalf of our Honorable Sri Satyajit Patil, it is his son. He is the president, vice president of this particular D.Y. Patil Education Pratishthan and chairman of this particular D.Y. Patil Education Complex, in which the D.Y. Patil College of Engineering occurred his visit. It is a very quality conscious campus. I will be requesting you to come personally and educate and be tuned to Dr. Vinayak Kotawar, and as far as this, he has set up his center of excellence into artificial intelligence and data science. We want that it should be very matured, and let us do some collaborative project. Once again, I welcome you and Devi, Ajanta Devi ma'am, also on this particular platform. Without taking much of time, so I welcome you wholeheartedly. Over to Vinayak Kotawar and Saudabini madam. Thank you very much.